Warning. This is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test. It is advised that you lock all your doors now and don't open it for anyone, even if it seems like a human being. If someone in your family behaves erratically and goes completely silent, remove them from your home. They are not who you think they are anymore. This entity is 9 feet tall, that can sabotage broadcasts to see where you live and kill you. It also knocks you paralyzed so you can't escape. After this broadcast ends, it is advised you turn off your television sets, as it can communicate through them. This may include game consoles, televisions, mobile phones, desktops, laptops, etc. Remain calm. We will try our best to contain the entity. Stay hidden until then.